Let's see, this is a bacterial cell. If we see in its genetic material, which is made up of DNA, we will see it has a gene which is responsible for resistance to pest or insect or fungus. So this fraction of DNA is our desirable gene which is responsible for desirable characteristics which we want to insert into plant cell, bacterial cell or animal cell. Now we will cut out this gene by using restriction endonucleases molecular scissors. So if we want to transfer this desirable gene or fragment of DNA, we need a plasmid vector. Plasmid vector is a small extra chromosomal circular double-stranded DNA. So we need a vector, and most common vector are bacterial plasmid and phage viruses. Why we need plasmid? We need plasmid because plasmid has sequence for origin of replication, which is necessary for replication of DNA independently. Desirable gene on its own cannot do anything inside a host cell. Therefore, a vector is needed. And even after inserting a desirable gene in host cell, that desirable gene will not replicate when cell divides, as it is not a part of genome of host cell. So it will not express and can be broken down very promptly. Here a plasmid can overcome all these problems. So after getting plasmids, we will cleavage this plasmid DNA with restriction endonucleases. After cleavage, we will insert desirable gene or DNA fragment into plasmid with the help of DNA ligase enzyme. Finally, we will get recombinant DNA. Now this recombinant DNA has both sequence, that is for origin of replication and desirable gene. We will transfer recombinant DNA into host cell, which may be plant cell, bacterial cell and animal cell. With the help of enzyme DNA polymerase of host cell, recombinant DNA can create multiple copies. Now we can easily get genetically modified organism which will possess or desirable characteristics as it has desirable gene for it. For example, suppose this one is a host cell which can be bacterial cell or plant cell or animal cell. This cell will possess characteristics of resistance to pest or insect or fungus. Why it possesses that characteristics? Because you transfer that desirable gene which is responsible for desirable characteristics. Thank you.